In this video, we will walk you through the process of performing a hard reset on your Sony MHC-V11 stereo system to help resolve common operational issues. By the end of this video, you will know how to identify issues that require a reset, perform a factory reset, and troubleshoot common Bluetooth or CD playback problems. Before beginning the reset, ensure you unplug the stereo from the power outlet. Wait at least 60 seconds for the unit to discharge, then plug it back in and ensure it is in standby mode. To initiate the factory reset, turn on your system, press and hold the stop button, and while holding it, press the power button once. Continue holding stop until reset or cold reset appears, then release the button. After the reset, your unit will restart. Check if you need to set the clock, test your Bluetooth and CD functions, and confirm that your previous personalized settings have been cleared. As a recommendation, always try a simple power cycle for minor glitches first. Reserve the factory reset for persistent issues, and remember that you will need to repair any Bluetooth devices. If you are still experiencing issues, try deleting and repairing your Bluetooth device or ensuring your CDs are clean and free of debris for better playback.